Hey guys, this is Sam from Sightline Guitar, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play what I think are the 10 best guitar riffs of the year so far. Now I know this is heavily down to personal opinion, so I actively encourage you all to comment below if there's any you think I've missed, and who knows, I might make a video on one in the future. So without further ado, let's get into the list. At number 10 we've got Out for Blood from Sum 41's latest album, Order in Decline. While a fairly simple riff, it marks a heavier direction for the band, so I definitely thought it was worth a mention. Check it out. Next up at number 9 we've got 7 Pillars of Wisdom by Sabaton. The second track on The Great War, we are quickly reminded of the melodies that make this band so great. At number 8 we've got Dominion by Hammerfall. This riff is ultra simple, so for any entry-level hard rock guitarists, this one is a must learn. At number 7 is Wonderful Life by Bring Me the Horizon. Another simple riff, but with what feels like a skip note between bars 2 and 3 to add interest, this one is mega fun to play. Next up at number 6 is Cold by Korn. At number 5 we've got Raven's Flight by Amon Amarth. Let me know if I'm saying that wrong, because I'd love to know if I'm saying it wrong, because I'd like to stop saying it wrong. This riff is drop tuned, crazy heavy, and makes you involuntarily headbang, so it had to be included in this list. At number 4, it's Leviathan by Volbeat. It's typically melodic of this band, super catchy and great fun to play. I also have a full guitar tutorial of this song which I'll include a link to in the description below. This list would not be complete without an entry from Slipknot's latest album, We Are Not Your Kind. As the keen-eared amongst you will have noticed at the start of this video, number 3 is Solway Firth. At number 2, and arguably the most technical riff of this video, we have Make America Hate Again by Thy Art Is Murder. Taking the top spot, number 1 is Paralyzed by Dream Theater. This riff is super inventive and fun to play, with movements up and down the fretboard while still adhering to a 4/4 time signature, making it super easy for guitarists of multiple skill levels to play. That's it from me today, guys. Make sure you like this video, comment below if there's any you think I've missed, and hit that subscribe button for tons more guitar related content coming soon. Cheers.